Understanding the tolling bells. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that carries depth and resonance both literally and metaphorically, the tolling bells. Stick around as we uncover the meaning behind this phrase and how it's used in various contexts. Whether you're learning English or just love diving deeper into language nuances, this video is for you. First off, let's break down the phrase into two parts. The verb, to toll, refers to the sound that a large bell makes when it's rung slowly. Unlike the cheerful ringing of bells you might hear during celebrations, tolling is often solemn and deep in tone. It's the kind of sound that resonates, not just through the air, but deep within those who hear it. This slow, methodical ringing is commonly associated with significant events, especially those that are serious or somber. Bells hold a special place in many cultures around the world. They're used to mark important moments, ranging from joyous occasions like weddings to solemn ones like funerals. The tolling bells often symbolize the passage of time, the presence of a solemn or significant moment, or a call to attention. In literature and movies, the sound of tolling bells can foreshadow something important or dramatic about to unfold. This dual nature of bells, capable of expressing both celebration and solemnity, enriches their use in language and symbolism. When we encounter the tolling bells in literature and media, it's essential to pay attention to the context. Writers and filmmakers use the imagery of tolling bells to evoke specific emotions or set a mood. For instance, in a novel, the tolling of bells might signal the death of a character or the end of a significant chapter in the story. In movies, the sound of tolling bells can create an atmosphere of anticipation, signaling that something momentous is about to happen. As English language learners, understanding how to use phrases like the tolling bells can add depth to your communication. You can use this phrase metaphorically to describe a situation that is serious or deserving of attention. For example, you might say, "The tolling bells of history remind us to never forget the lessons of the past." Here, the phrase is used to evoke a sense of solemn remembrance and the importance of history. We hope this exploration of the tolling bells has enriched your understanding of English language nuances. Bells, with their deep cultural and symbolic significance, offer us a rich metaphor for expressing a wide range of emotions and events. Whether you're reading literature, watching a movie, or crafting your own stories, remembering the depth of such phrases can enhance your appreciation and expression of the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful complexities of English in our future videos.